Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can mirror text in Canva. But the first thing that you need to know is that we cannot mirror or flip text in the text format. So basically, if you select any text box in Canva, you'll see there is no option to create a mirror effect or to mirror the text. So that option or that feature is only available for images and videos. So in order to get that feature, we need to convert this text into an image. So what you need to do is that you have to go to share menu and then click download. Make sure to select the file type as PNG and enable transparent background and click download. Now we just need to wait until this text is being converted into an image. Now I'm going to upload that image to my Canva design. Okay, this is actually an image. It is no longer text. So I'm going to crop it a bit because there is an extra space that I don't need. And after that, you can see that now we have the option to actually mirror this text. You can click on it and you'll see there's a flip option. You can click flip horizontal or flip vertical. And yeah, that's basically how you can do it. And another thing that you can do is that you can create a really cool mirroring effect like this one. I think you understand what I'm trying to achieve here. So it's kind of creating a reflection of the text, and I think it looks really cool. This is something that you cannot do if you are using a regular image format. So yeah, this is one benefit. And let me adjust the size a bit, and I'm going to navigate to the edit section. So let's add some color, and I'm going to make this a bit darker. Okay, so yeah, this is the result. I'm going to group them together, and this is the mirror effect that you can achieve using Canva. So that's it for today. I hope you find this video to be helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more tutorials like this. And I see you in my next video.